Today I will talk about the novel The 40 Rules of Love. The 40 Rules of Love is an English novel written by a Turkish writer Elif Shafak. This novel was in my reading list for last 3 years and finally I got sufficient time to read it. It consisted of 359 pages and I took about 2 months to complete it. Though I am not satisfied with many act of the characters, I really enjoyed it. I am also a Urdu fiction writer. That's why the utmost thing I enjoyed in the novel is the writing style of Alif. The story is so beautifully structured that it engaged the reader throughout the novel and he wished not to miss even a single phrase of the novel. I learned from Aleph how to build a beautiful plot that you can feel bewitching and can proud on it. Now talking about the characters of the novel, Ela, a caring housewife of modern era who spent almost 20 years of married life and nurtured 3 children. She knew about the extramarital affairs of her husband and continuously trying to ignore them. She knew about the extramarital affairs of her husband and continuously trying to ignore them. To make her busy, she joined a literary agency that gave her a task to give a review about an unpublished novel, Sweet Blasphemy. This novel, Sweet Blasphemy, touched her core of heart so immensely that she contacted with the writer of the novel, Aziz, through emails. Aziz responded her mails cheerfully, then Ila shared with him ups and downs of her life. During routine chit chat, she realized that she fell in love with him. A 40 years old woman who spent 20 years of married life, had 3 growing children, now fell in love with a person about which she knew almost none. How trouble it is. Second story of the novel is set in the 13th century with real spiritual characters of Shams of Tabriz and Maulana Jalaluddin Rumi. The love bond of these characters are so immensely described that if you don't have attachment with them before reading the novel, definitely you have a strong feeling of adoration before the end of novel. Shams came to Keonia to become a partner of Rumi. Rumi, who was the greatest preacher of the era, people love and respect him through all thick and thin. But as human being, he also had some flaws. Shams pointed out these flaws and helped him to get rid of it. That's the thing people don't accept. How dare a warning dervish like Shams of Tabriz make changes in their Maulana? That's hated feeling led to a greatest and lifelong loss of Maulana Rumi. Though phrases and quotations of Rumi are also popular in Pakistan, I know little about him before reading the novel. But now I just finished the novel, I have strong urge to know about him more and more. 40 rules of love are phrased one by one so beautifully in the novel that it left a mark on my heart as well as on my soul. Now talking about the things in the novel that make me sad includes story of desert rose, behavior of Shams with her wife, and decision of Ila to leave her husband for love. Story of Desert Rose is heart-touching, emotional. It make me cry. Meanwhile, I also think that Kimia, the young wife of Shams Tabriz, deserved more love and affection as well as physical relationship of her husband. Why Shams developed a sexless relationship with her wife, I am unable to understand. These are not the teachings of Islam at all. Finally, decision of Ila to leave her husband feel me sad. Though there are many flaws in their relationship, her husband was flirt. They have a loveless relationship, but still there are possibilities to make things better. If I got opportunity to make some changes in the novel, definitely I will not allow Ila to leave her husband, her growing children, and her sweet home. Lastly, I will recommend to all fiction lovers to read this novel at least once. You will enjoy it a lot. This is my promise. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any suggestion regarding it, leave a comment below. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.